What's up, my YouTube family? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, absolutely well. This is your Sahil and you're watching Sahil Vlog, guys. There's a bit trouble which we are facing from yesterday. Is like we tried to vlog on GoPro, but the GoPro is not working, and I'm really sad about it. But we have an alternative right now. Our fellow rider Vikram Bhaiya had an SG cam, so right now we'll be using SG cam for further uses. Okay, and now though we are in Ayodhya Hills right now, so no alternative uses of GoPro. इसी से काम चलाना पड़ेगा अभी अपने को, राइट? तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. खैर बाकी का जो व्लॉग होगा वो S20 प्लस से या S20 जो भी है इससे यूज़ हो जाएगा. सो आप लोगों को क्वालिटी व्लॉग मिलेगा. भाई ट्राई करेगा प्योर कंटेंट देने का, ठीक है? इतना मेहनत कर रहा है तो आप लोग भी थोड़ा सा ट्राई करेगा वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब लाइक करने का, राइट? बाकी मिलते हैं राइट पे. So guys, vlog has been start. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं साइट सीन के लिए. टाइम अपडेट इट्स बिट लेट. अभी हम लोग जाएंगे मार्बल लेक, अपर डैम, लोअर डैम, राइट? So stay tuned in the vlog, guys, and subscribe the channel because we all are doing very hard effort. Unfortunately GoPro is not working, so अभी वो तो कैलकाटा जाके देखना पड़ेगा उसमें क्या है. बट आप लोगों को सारे की सारी अपडेट्स एंड एवरीथिंग मिलेगी. सो व्लॉग पे ज़रूर बने रहिएगा. So guys, right now we're in the Marble Lake and you can see it's very beautiful. The scenario, I don't think the camera is doing the justify, but still I can just say the nature's call is way too best. Like it's way too peace over here. Like I can just say it was fabulous. Though we are trying to go over there, right? We are planning to go there, and from there we will be going down and we'll be seeing the entire scene from there. So suggest you people, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, guys. Your brother is doing a lot of hard work, right? So make sure to subscribe the channel. So guys, as you can see, we are in the Marble Lake finally, and the road was damn tough, guys. Trust me, the view is superb. It's like fabulous we have ever seen. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. There are more places there we are going right now, and our brother's busy shooting, busy taking photos, right? And speechless. So guys, right now we are heading towards Bamni Fall, right? And there are a lot of staircases, steps also. We are walking approximately 500 steps that we need to take right now. Guys, hope you enjoyed the time. Now enjoy the it was too tough, guys, and we are actually not planning to go there because it's not safe. So guys, it was very hard trek यार, मतलब हालत ख़राब हो गया एक्चुअल में. अंदर में विंटर लाइनर प्लस जैकेट पहन के मेरा वेट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20 किलो ऐसे ही बढ़ गया. एंड देयर वर मिनिमम 500 स्टेयर्स. इट्स लाइक So guys, our final destination अपर डैम एंड एक्चुअली वी विजिटेड फर्स्ट आपको लोअर डैम से होके ही अपर डैम जाना पड़ता है राइट एंड द व्यू ओवर हियर इज लाइक यू कैन जस्ट सी it's like superb and the best part of the dam is this one, like you get two views, one over here is the hill one and the other one. Oh, it's like you can see completed our ride for today and time update, it's approximately 6:45 and we haven't eaten anything from the morning, but right now we have ordered something. Only few more spots are left, like 2-3 spot और बचा है जो कल सुबह करके we will be heading towards home. So आज का ब्लॉग यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं. If you like the video, सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना गाइस, मच नीडेड है कि नहीं गाइस? तो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर. पार्ट 3 का वेट करना. चलो बाय.